got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
Okay, good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 9. We are, whoa, I ain't put no signal light on or nothing. In the car, trying to get our morning started, and I'm stopping by Chick-fil-A this morning. I'm hungry. I want some chicken and minis for sure. Good morning. Can I get a number 2? So yeah, it's another rainy morning. So this afternoon when I get home from work, I'm gonna have to do some baking. Y'all know I love doing baking. And tomorrow for our staff meeting, we are doing a holiday bake-off where, you know, like each of us last year bought in like something Christmas wise as far as like treats, and then we did like a contest, and yeah, so every day for the month of December up until Christmas break, the school and the PTO and the principal and assistant principal and parents have put together just like a countdown for us until Christmas break, which is the 16th. I'm gonna include here just a couple of the things that they have done for us. So I know that one day recently we just did create your own trail mix. That was really cool. And then of course we have been waiting since August on getting our sweatshirts this year. Normally we get shirts, but we just decided this year, I guess, to treat us to the sweatshirt. So the sweatshirt is in my mailbox this morning. I need to grab that, show you all that, and then we do have a lot of other great things planned that I can't remember off the top of my head, but here we go. So it is my lunchtime, and I decided to come up to Chipotle to grab some lunch, and then I think I'm gonna go in the drive-thru line, which is right here, to Starbucks, because I think I'm gonna grab me a quick drink that I found on TikTok.
Would you like to add a quick service?
No thank you. I'll do just lettuce and cheese. Okay. And I'll take extra cheese, please. Okay, y'all, I had got chicken, white rice, cheese, and lettuce. That's all I ever get. Normally, if I had this at home, I would add my own corn to it. Okay, so I'm pulling into Starbucks. Okay, so this is the drink here. And I'm home. But I'm having so much trouble finding what to make for tomorrow's staff meeting, where everyone is supposed to bring a holiday treat. Okay, so I was thinking about doing this. So I can't do anything with like brown sugar because I just literally used it, the last of it, the other day. But I don't know, I got like crock pot, peppermint, candy. I'm not doing that. I mean, all right, y'all, so I'm in the kitchen, finally decided what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make some white pretzel crisp. So basically, yeah, I'll show you guys what you need for that. And I'm also gonna make some Jingle Bell Bites, which are holiday shortbread cookies. Like I said in the previous clip, I can't bake anything that involves brown sugar. I don't have it. So let's just see how this turns out. This will be my first time making both. I'm gonna make one for my coworker because she's like, I can't make anything, I'm not the baker, so just put my name on whatever you make. So I'll make one from her, that way if she wins, I win, not her, me, yes. Alright, so I'm gonna be making these pretzel rods that are dipped in white chocolate and have candy canes on the outside of them. I already have it together. My white chocolate, or actually this is almond bark, is in the microwave. I'm gonna microwave it on 130 and just kind of watch it. When I dip them, I'm gonna dip them at least halfway, and then I'll sprinkle some peppermints on it, and I'll stick it on my my wax paper for a little bit, let it kind of cool off, and then I'll bag them up. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of the peppermint extract. You definitely only want to put like enough for 3 or 4 drops. Okay, so let me show you guys the finished product of the pretzel rods that are here. And so I have the pretzel rods, I have the pretzel crisp, and then now I'm gonna get ready to make this jingle bell bite. Okay, so we need flour, salt, sugar, unsalted butter, so you're gonna need a whole stick. You're also gonna need almond flavor extract, or you can use vanilla, but I'm gonna use almond. And you also need the Christmas colored non-Perios. These are just holiday sprinkles, and so yeah, let's get ready. So because I just got home and I'm making this for tomorrow, it should be at room temperature, and you're gonna need more to butter the pan with. But at the time, I'm gonna go ahead and just try and get this at room temperature. So I'm gonna heat it up for about 20 seconds. It definitely looks like it is at room temperature right now because I'm able to move it and it's not stiff. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the sugar and the extract while it's mixing. All right, so I'm gonna put it into, I'm gonna get it to go in this mixer bowl. All right, so we need 1/4 cup of the sugar. And yes, I don't know what happened to my measuring cup. Maybe Santa will bring me a nice new measuring cup set to use. Meanwhile, let me go ahead and add in this 1/4 cup. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in the 1/4 teaspoon of the almond extract. Add in the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, now it's time to add 1 1/4 cup of the flour. Okay, so I'm melting the butter this way so that I can spread it around in the pan. Meanwhile, once it's done, you're gonna like push this parchment down in over top of the butter. I know, it sounds weird, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I have to knead this 4 to 5 times into a ball. And just because I have been working on a bunch of different things, I don't want my hands to get too dirty and I don't want to have to keep washing them. So I did put on a glove. Right now, if you guys could smell this, it smells just like almond. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get it into a ball the best way I can. Just waiting on that butter to melt in my pan. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that butter gets everywhere because like it said, it needs to stick to all 4 corners. And this is the reason why it asks for extra butter. So it looks like I have buttered everywhere. Let's go ahead and add that parchment paper. Okay, so I'm just gonna use, hopefully it'll work. Just don't want to push my hand down here. It's been in the oven. Okay, I'll get it eventually. Okay, so I eventually got it to stick on the inside, all 4 corners. I just had to gently press and in order to keep it there, and I did cut some of it off. So I'm going to be adding 4 teaspoons of the holiday sprinkles into this, putting it back in the ball, and then it's going in the pan. Alright, so I finally got it together. Put it into your pan and we're gonna just spread it out, and then eventually I'm going to make it even, and then I'm going to go ahead and slice it. That way when they're done, they're easy to just pull out and put into bags for my coworkers. Okay, so I finally have gotten it down to, I guess, what I call an even layer. Goes into the oven for 13 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I bought these at Walmart for about $1.48, and I'm gonna put the pretzel rods in here, and when the other bites finish, I will put them in here as well. So these have about 20 bags in them, so let's just see. So I have a cute little container that I'm gonna put the pretzel rods on one side, and then once the Jingle Bell bites are done, they'll go on this side. That way I can take my pan with me, my bowl, and get it back in one piece, because I'm gonna put my name on here. So now I'm gonna take it out of the oven, and I'm gonna put it on a flat sheet pan. That way I can use the cookie cutter to cut it. Okay, so this is what they look like. You can easily just take a pizza cutter and make the slices yourself. Okay, so they have been sliced. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a taste test before I let all of my coworkers get it. Oh yeah, definitely tastes like shortbread. And if they weren't so hot, I would say yeah, they're good. So I made the holiday shortbread cookies or whatever. Says you can use almond or vanilla. Sorry, it's hot. I use almond, and they're good. I just gotta let them cool off. Okay, so I love supporting small businesses, so I decided to go ahead and catch the sale for this small business owner who goes by Nicole. And so her brand is Scents by Cody, and I'll leave that link in my description box down below for her Etsy. But I wanted to support her small business and order some more wax melts because they be smelling bomb. So I had to get the Christmas ones. But anyways, check out what I got. When you gave it to me, it didn't have a microphone piece. Okay, y'all, so stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 10, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up to put me out in these YouTube streets. And I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10.